Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic BricsCAD tutorial how to make a block. So for example, I will create a rectangle and also circle. And if you want to make block, you can create by using block or W block command. For example, I will use block command, press enter. Okay, set the name, so I will set into example. Pick point, I will click here. And for object, you can select this rectangle. Don't forget to click on convert to block and then click OK. So the block will be automatically insert into this drawing. But if you want to save block into another file, you can use W block command, press enter, and set the name, set example 32. For entities, you can select this circle, and then for pick point, you can click in center point, click on convert to block, and then you can click here to save your block file. So you can save into your folder. After it, you can click OK. So the block of this circle object will be saved into your folder. Okay, that's it for basic BricsCAD tutorial how to make a block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.